You all right? How are you doing? So we've just checked in at the Grand Hyatt. We've managed to get an early check-in, 11 a.m. So not bad. We landed about 9 a.m, got the car, and then we had about an hour to wait before they could give us our room, which is pretty good actually. I'm happy with that. So we're now looking at the entering the room. It's on the 11th floor. It's a superior room. Nice big entrance area. We've got the cloak room here. A good number of hangers there. You've got your storage for your cases, a drawer, ironing board. You've got a safe, which is big enough to stand your laptop on. 4 drawers and a little cupboard area there. Yeah, very nice. All good. Moving into the bathroom, we have the shower, and it is a lovely bathroom, all gold effect and marble. So this will probably fit 4 people. And they have Balmain toiletries there, conditioner, shampoo, body wash. There's plenty of towels. You've got a nice big bath, again gold effect, taps and furniture, and a nice decorative mirror there. Moving over to the sink area, you've got 2 basins, his and hers. Some amenities there, soap, dental shaving kit, another soap and body lotion with tissues. And opening the box, there's usually something in here. What have we got here? Cotton buds, sanitary bag, cotton pad and shower cap. His and hers robes. And the toilet area, very clean and very bright. The bidet and the toilet. King size bed. Nice and firm. And the decorative mirror there that you can see in the bathroom. You can't see through into the bathroom, but it's the other side is in the bathroom. We've got a drawer, the Koran, standard in Dubai hotels, and another drawer on this side. Big table and a big sofa. Big TV there, and they give you complimentary waters like most hotels do here. We've got a kettle, tea and coffee making facilities and more water. So it's a pod coffee maker. Then you've got some teas or granulated coffee there. And a few creams. Nice glassware. What have we got here? So we've got the mini bar. So one thing to note there is don't touch anything unless you want to pay for it. So just looking out at the view, on a previous vlog of mine, we rode the metro past here, and they're building a water park, and it's coming on now. It's supposed to be ready in November, and we're in the early September now, so they've still got a bit of work to do. But the pool itself is nice here, nice big pool. But once that water park feature is open, that'll be a big attraction, I would imagine. And you can see over the creek there, there's a few places to go over the creek. Yeah, very nice. And this is about the 4th or 5th time we've stayed here, and it's one of our favourite Dubai hotels. We've only stayed in about 4 or 5, but this is one of the favourites. It's a 5-star. I don't think it's on the level of some of the really luxurious hotels, but it's still great, good for families. The food is good, and we go for the half-board option, and this is a superior room with a half-board option. So you get your breakfast and then an evening meal with 2 hours of complimentary alcohol drinks or soft drinks.